Hello, everybody. All right, let's start from the top. So, we're going to sign into Google first and foremost. You're going to be using your student email from the school. All right, in this case, it is your ID number at ppsstudent.org. Okay. Now, your password, of course, is just the lowercase p. All right, and then your ID. All right, and it should match the ID number above. And then you can go ahead and click next. All right, once you're inside the Google homepage, you're going to see your first letter of your first name here, but we're looking at these dots right here. So we click on those dots and we find Google Classroom, which is right here. All right. You're going to find the class that you're working with. In this case, mine is right here. Now from the page, I like to go to classwork. That's where I find and organize all my assignments. All right, and here is a brand new packet. All right, so I'm going to go into there and click View Assignment. And I'm going to see it right up there in your top right. All right, now here's where it gets a little bit tricky. So you got to click on these three little dots up in the top right. And it says open in new window. You have to open it in a new window. And you can see here it says open with. So I'm going to click open with. And I'm going to see annotate with Kami. Now when Kami pops up, there's going to be some tools over here that you can use, but the text box is right there, so I can immediately start. So I'm just going to write my name real quick. All right. And one of the good parts is that it automatically saves, so you don't have to do any saving. However, it's a good suggestion to save your work anytime you do it, so you can go ahead and save it. All right. And you can just click Save Now. But it is auto-saving right there. All right. Now, here's one of the most important parts. Now, it did automatically save, but if you do go back to Google Classroom and you do see your assignment, okay, it is still assigned. You know you did it, but on my screen, for example, if I want to go check anybody's work, I don't have anybody had turned it in, all right? But if I do want to look, I can find that student that just edited their assignment, and I will see that they edited it. However, I might not look because it didn't say turned in. Okay? So, what I suggest doing so that I know you completed your work is making sure you turn it in. Turn it in every time you edit your assignment. You're going to be editing this every day. It's a running document. All right? So you turn it in. Now, when I go back and I look, I can see if you did or did not turn it in. All right, now this student has turned it in, okay? So I can go in there and start editing it, give you a grade for the day, write a comment, tell you a good job. So, right, I see that you edited it, you wrote your name, all right? And I might say something like, write your last name. Okay. Now, I will return it to you so that we can keep editing it together. So I'm going to return it back. Okay. Now, when you go to look the next day, you need to go back into the tab that you were on. All right. So when you come back into Google Classroom and you want to do your packet for the day, you can come back into Packet 4, view your assignment, and you can see now it's been returned back to you. So you need to click it again, okay, and start the whole process over again. Don't forget about the three dots. It's very important that you need to open this in a new window. so that it comes up in the middle here, that you can open it with Cami, annotate with Cami. Now, you can edit your document for the next day, whether it's the next worksheet or whatever, or if you wanted to respond to my comment. So maybe you would want to like write your last name and you're like, nope, I don't, right? And like I suggested, I do save my work every time. Okay? And again, don't forget this step. It helps me out that when you are done saving, turn it in so I know you did it. If you don't turn it in, I really won't know if it was done or not until I look at everybody's assignment. Okay? But I can't really grade it daily unless you say you turned it in. Alright? So, again, I'm going to see that you did turn it in. Okay? And we will be going back and forth just like this. Little comments here and there, feedback, whatnot, grades, whatnot. Alright? And by the end of this, you'll get a grade from me after all is said and done. Alright? So, I might say something like, why not? Alright? And I will return it back to you. After that, you will see it returned back to you. Okay, and again, you will need to go in, edit it, okay? It's constantly a running process. So you'll have to go back in, open a new window, annotate with Cami. And you can start annotating again. Right, you gotta do it. You gotta keep doing this. Is a whole process. And again, go back in and make sure that you turn in your work. Alright, sorry for such a long video. I hope you guys watched the whole thing. Alright, everybody have a great day and stay safe.